Father Valapalli, Vice Principal. Father Valapalli was a very strict disciplinarian. Ticket, fine, other everything. Father C.K. Swami was so kind. Even our moral sense ஒரு டயத்தில் அப்போ இருக்கிற கூத்து அப்போ இருக்கிற அமர்க்கலாம் அப்படி இருக்கும். ஸோ ஒன் சைடு like if you call father and mother of the institution, father and mother for the students here, then one is very courteous by nature or by their profession, by their job. அதே மாதிரி தான் I took that clue from there. Even now myself and my wife, we share the responsibility and the duty with my children, where I will be strict sometimes, she will be very cool with them. Sometimes she will be very strict, I will be cool. So ரெண்டு சேர்ந்து இப்படி போகும்போது தான் வாழ்க்கை சிறப்பாக போயிட்டு இருக்கு. I had 2 sons, they are all doing very fine. We are very happy to be here. And Father Maridas இங்கே வந்திருக்கும்போது it was very short trip. 3-4 daysல வந்து எல்லாரையும் மீட் பண்ணி எல்லாத்தையும் பண்ணுறதுங்கிறது it was a task, but still we could gather about 15 people. It was a great chance for us to meet, and that paved way for me to be here. Thanks to Father, thanks to everyone here, Father Rector, Father Secretary, and DGP, for everybody. And thank you very much for your kindness in giving me this Achievers Award, whatever entitlement I had. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure. Thank you.